What's up guys, it's your girl Sharon, and I want to take you on a journey with me in my process in the salon, in my private studio salon. So one thing I have to explain is that I can't really record in the salon as far as my voice, because there's like this humming sound of the heating system and the air conditioning system. It goes on and off all day. So I'll be recording these short videos, and I know you guys requested a lot more hair videos. So this video, a client, she really wanted to try some different little dimensional color on her hair for her birthday. So I said, well, let's just, she chose the purple, the lilac, the pastel color. That's what she chose. But I decided to take this other color and add a little bit more dimension to it, which is a pearl pastel, as you can see to the right of the screen. I've actually tried, these colors on my hair, specifically this pastel pearl. I don't think I would try the purple, but I think it turned out pretty gorgeous on her. But if you'll notice, like in the back where her hair is a little bit more gray, it's not as silver and bright and white as her front section. Those colors are not going to really come up as vibrant as you'll find that the colors in the front are going to come up a little bit more vibrant. So what I decided to do to create more dimension is to go ahead and add the pearl pastel color, this purple color to the back. Although I'm adding it to darker gray hair, it's not going to pop, it's not going to show up as much, but it'll give a little bit of a hue to the hair. But at the last minute, as opposed to just adding the purple, I had some more of this pearl pastel, and I just decided to create a little bit of more of a smokiness to her hair, in addition to the purple that she requested. And also what I decided to do as I was applying the color is to leave out little random sections. Like I'm leaving out this random section of her hair just to add the dimension of her natural hair color into the mix. So I'll have like a purple pastel section, then I'll have a pearl pastel section, and then I'll just leave out a random section of her hair. So all of those three little sections really gave the end result, a lot more dimension. Now, as you notice, when I get to the front, I'm going to do a little bit of a different shift. Still using these three colors, and then still adding and leaving out that random section, which our hair is getting lighter and brighter as we move up to the crown area. So again, I'm adding the pearl pastel. So these kind of looks, I don't get to do a lot because I haven't had that many women with gray hair come in asking for this, but just to have somebody do it, she wanted to experience it for her birthday. So I said, why not? Let's just go ahead and do it. Now, if you notice, like right in the front, I am using foils. I'm using foils where her hair is the most lightest and brightest. So her hair is a lot more white in the front. So these colors are going to tend to have a little bit more grab to her silver hair. And so I'm placing it in between the foil because I want that silver hair to have a little bit more intensity to it. So I'm going to use the same three colors. Actually, not three colors. We only used two colors, but we left out that random section, remember? So that we could have more dimension in the final look. I really hate that I can't talk when I'm working, in the video because of all the noise that goes on in the studio with the air conditioning system. So that's why I record it and then I talk over it, but I would love to talk with it, but you never know when that machine is coming on, so it doesn't make sense to try to talk over that and then you can't hear. So again, I'm adding the foils, and again, remember how light her hair is in the front. So these sections are going to be a lot more brighter, only because we're adding the purple to more silver and more white hair. So they're going to have, the color is going to have a tendency to grab more to that hair in the front. So I'm placing them between foils, and in the end, we're going to actually place a plastic cap over her head. And I think we left her under the dryer for like 20 minutes. It's only going to take but so much, but the time, the longer I leave her under there, the more intensity the desired look will be, and also it won't fade as fast. So we shampooed and conditioned her. We love Design Essentials, the almond avocado line of shampoo and conditioner. We use a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and then we're blow drying her. Now, if you notice, she doesn't have a really defined curl pattern. She does not wear her hair textured at all, her natural curl. It's really not a lot of natural curl to her hair. She does have a lot of texture, but it's not a defined curl pattern. And if you notice the way the hair took in the back, you see how dark her hair is in the back. So you still see the color. You can still see the transition of the color that we use, but you don't see the intensity because the hair is a lot darker in the back. And as we move to the front with the blow drying, you can see the intensity that the color took in the front. And I just love the dimension that was given to the hair with the section that we left out, the pearl pastel, as well as the other color that we used, the purple, the lilac pastel color. So overall, I think it came out really well. Let me know, guys, what you think about the final look. And if you haven't already, make sure that you become a gograybechic insider, and that is just becoming a member of our email list. And we created an amazing 3-part video series called From Color to Confidence. I've gotten some really great feedback on this 3-part video series. It gives you a chance to get better connected with me. I call it the gograybechic starter kit. So if you're just starting on the journey, or if you've been in the journey for a minute, it really will give you an in-depth knowledge of my process and how I truly believe that you can be the best version of yourself with your new look. So make sure you download it. The link will be in our comment section, and you will get a video every single day. And I have a surprise for you on the very last 4th day that you receive an email. I have a special challenge for you. I'm always loving to challenge women, on their new look. And it's a challenge, and you'll enjoy it. So here, she wanted the curls to be flipped up as opposed to under. And if you see, guys, in the top, how you can see a hint of the color, but that's only because the hair is darker in the back. If you notice, her hair is a lot darker in the back than it is the front. But she wanted this flipped up style, which is a style she wears from time to time. Now, again, remember, she doesn't wear her hair textured at all. The only time she wears it textured is if we do a twist set, which is like a braid set, but they're flat twists, and we keep her under long enough to dry, so that gives her some texture. But outside of just wearing her curls, she doesn't really wear her hair in her natural state. If you notice, she didn't really have a defined curl pattern. But this is her style that she requested, and we just created the curls in an upward motion. And it just gives her body, gives her fullness. And this one right here, y'all, she hates to get her ends shaped, okay? She kicks and screams every time we have to trim her ends. And I don't trim them that often, maybe every couple months. So I think it turned out pretty nice. And the dimension, you can see the pearl pastel. You can see the purple lilac pastel color. And you can also see where I actually left out a little bit of her natural color here. I just wanted to create a lot more dimension. So let me know, guys, down in the comments what you think about this look. I think the curls turned out really pretty. And she was creating this look for her birthday. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think, guys. So until the next time, guys, take care. Peace. Thank you for watching.